Well, hi, dog. Good people. It's So Wigged out here, your neighborhood friendly wig reviewer. And today it's no different. We are coming to chop it up about this thin part wig from Innovative Weaves and Wigs. And I get it. Over the last month or so, I've been talking to you guys about thin part wigs, but that is because thin part wigs are my new jam. And this one that I'm going to talk to you guys about today is an 18-inch Yaki thin part wig from Innovative Weaves and Wigs.com. If you are unfamiliar with the term thin part wig, it is the upgraded version of a U-part wig. So in the past, when we would wear the U-part wigs, we had to leave out this big U shape of hair to cover over the wefts. But when it comes to the thin part wig, there's no need to leave out a whole bunch of hair because one, there are no wefts to cover, and two, because of the way that this wig is created, it mimics your natural root at the top of the wig, so you only need to leave out the thinnest amount of hair, approximately 90% less than you did with the U-part wig of the past. So I'm going to show you guys just about how much hair I have left out. This right here is my left side and part of my back, but this is the thin part of hair that I have left out, and this is about the same amount on both sides. And so I'll just take it and then I'll comb it down to blend it in. And then I do want to show you up close that another benefit is that you wear your natural parting here. Guys, how much less stress is it not to have to use makeup and glue or whatever else to try to make your wig look super natural? We're going to unbox this thin part wig, and then we are going to see it in its natural texture, and then we're going to see how it got pretty sleek, though this is a Yaki wig. And all I did was take my flat iron and I ran it through the hair one time. One stroke, guys, that's it. So let's unbox and then we'll come and finish out the video. Well, would you look at here? This is the Yaki texture right out of the box. You can definitely see that texture there. But the real MVP is when you look inside of the wig and see how it is created to allow it to be completely breathable. We are going to start by co-washing this wig, and I am using the Aussie Miracle Conditioner. It's going to be used on every single one of my thin part wigs, so I'll say that on every single video. After co-washing it, I did allow it to condition for a little bit, and then I rinsed that out and allowed it to air dry. Once it was completely air dry, I knew that it was time for me to get this party started. And so I brushed out my unit, and then I took my Beyond the Zone heat protectant and I sprayed it on. I really like this one because it's lightweight enough, yet and still it does provide just a little bit of sheen. After I got it in, I brushed it and worked it through, and then I took my flat iron and I worked it through the unit one stroke at a time. I really wanted to see just how straight this unit would get without me chasing it or doing too much manipulation with it. And as you can see, though it is a Yaki texture, it got super sleek. So sleek, y'all, that I decided I was going to act like somebody called my name and swing my head around and be like, huh? Did you call me? And I just knew it was going to look just like this slow-mo in real life time. All right, guys, and at this point, it's time just to clip it on. So you want to make sure that you have your hair nice and flat, whether that's slicked back into a ponytail or braided down, however it is that you're comfortable with. Right now, I do have two flat braids. And so at the top, what I'm going to do here is just take my unit, and I'm going to take those clips, slide it into my hair. I do like to make sure that it's comfortable, and it is. So from here, all I do is take my leave out, and I just comb it over to blend it. And that is that, guys. That is the installation of the Yaki thin part wig from Innovative Weaves and Wigs.com. I hope it looked really simple and you're encouraged to try, because it really is probably the easiest install that I've done. And so I just want to share that, guys, with you guys. And so if you have any questions, of course, drop them down below. Again, innovativeweavesandwigs.com. Please take advantage of the discount code SewWiggedOut. Let them know that I sent you. And if you have any questions, hey, I'm here for you. Until next time, it's Sew Wigged Out, signing off.